One of the most desirable hot hatches you can buy on the road, VW Golf R, new generation, finished in pure white. This car's a 71 plate, so nearly new, 3 years warranty, 3 years VW assist. Again, specification, so the car is in pure white. It's got the sliding panoramic sunroof. It's got the upgraded Estoril diamond cut wheels, which are key. So the wheels, the sunroof, it's got a winter pack as well. So you've got heated seats. You get a heated steering wheel as standard. So the specification on a standard Golf R is tremendous anyway. But then it's got the key ingredients to make it look like this, the wheels and the sunroof. Unbelievable performance, 4-wheel drive, and they're just so popular. Fun to drive, retain the value superbly well. New generation, so we've got the new full IQ matrix LED headlights. You've got all the inserts finished in high gloss black. You've got this beautiful part of the lights, and then that blue line what runs all the way round the front, which I think looks particularly nice. The wheels, again, so important. So they're 19-inch, they're called Estoril wheels, finished, polished on the outside in silver, then black on the inserts. You've then got the blue calipers, which ties in lovely with that little strip light. Chrome mirrors, sliding panoramic sunroof, a must on one of these cars, privacy glass on the back, and then again, as we move around the rear, you can see them IQ rear lights, which are more like a 3D design with a little cubes all the way through. Big rear diffuser with them twin pipes on the back. The car's done 6,000 miles and it'll be priced to sell. It'll go live and we'll price it, as we do all our cars, for them to sell and be priced on market to sell straight away. Inside, it's all keyless entry. And then you've got the new design interior, so you can see there you've got the R badge on the seat. So they're the new style checkered seats. You've got the blue running down the centre. You've got the blue running round the door cards, the ambient lighting, and then the stitched steering wheel with the blue on the centre, which works really well. I touched on it earlier. Specification on a new Golf R is really high anyway. So things like adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, things that are expensive options on other cars. The VW have put them on these cars. So adaptive cruise control, fantastic option. You can see the plus and minus there. So really superb to drive. Heated steering wheel is one thing that I absolutely love on a car in general. It's got it. The sunroof, I'm just going to shut that now, but you've got the sliding sunroof, again, key option. And then you've got all the new, digital cockpit, which works off your ceramic center section on here. All your touchscreen navigation. It's got the winter pack, so heated seats is an option. It's got it. And then you've got all the different driving modes. So if we go into assist, you can see there you've got park assist. If we go into our modes, you've got race mode, and I've just pressed that on there, and the car sounds absolutely superb. And they are fun to drive. They do 0 to 64.7 seconds, really quick. 4-wheel drive. You've got the paddle shifts on there as well. Other things, it's all digital climate, DAB. It's also got, you can charge your phone there as well, no leads required, just drop your phone on there. Ambient lighting, you can see just running through there and all the way through, which is lovely. And as you would expect, condition of the car is beautiful. It's a 71 plate car. A lot of our cars now are nearly new. In the back there, you've got your rear climate, you've got rear USB charging points. And Golfs are popular because they appeal to lots of different type of people. It's a great looking car. It's got 4-wheel drive, it's got performance, but it's practical. So you've still got plenty of space, decent boot space. You can drop the seats down if you require. But this time of the year, Golf Rs and any 4-wheel drive cars are getting, they're really popular. Again, on top of that, we price them right, which is most important. And they've got the right spec. Colour, wheels, sunroof, winter pack. Going live on the website now.